Imagine a world where charging your electric vehicle is as simple as using your smartphone. Welcome to the future with SAMKU EV charging stations. Our cutting-edge model delivers lightning-fast charging speeds, ensuring your vehicle is ready to hit the road in no time. Navigate our user-friendly interface with ease and take advantage of smart technology that lets you monitor and control your charging from anywhere. Rest easy knowing our advanced safety features provide secure and reliable charging every time. We're not just about convenience, we're about sustainability too. Our commitment to green solutions means you're powering your vehicle in an eco-friendly way. And with global reach, your charging options are endless whether you're at home or on the go. Quality is our assurance, backed by rigorous testing and certifications. And no matter your needs, personal or commercial, SAMKU is ready to scale with you. Embrace the electric revolution. Contact us today to learn more about our models, pricing, and how SAMKU can power your journey forward. SAMKU eWorld Private Limited, powering the future of EV charging. #SAMKU charging, #electric vehicle, #EV charging, #future of charging.